In this short tutorial, we will start off with downloading, installing, and setting up IntelliJ for Windows 10. For my YouTube students, this slideshow is part of a YouTube playlist. The playlist URL will be listed in the description and comments of this lesson. All the source code for this playlist will be available for free in a GitHub repository. This slide shows the official download and installation URL for IntelliJ. Note here that the ultimate trial is required because we will be using the database tools and SQL which are not available in the free version. This is the 3 steps we will take to download IntelliJ and install it. Here we are on the Download IntelliJ webpage, and we will select the Ultimate for Windows. So we've got it downloaded. So now we'll run the executable. Right-click, Run as Administrator. I'm selecting the old version that I want to uninstall. I'm also keeping my configurations from my old version. Selecting all these options. I'll reboot later. Let's launch it. And everything looks good. I will see you in the next video.